Guys, when you are dating a married man, don't have a child with a married man. Just because it will be difficult to you to raise that child. You understand? Because most of the people, most of the women, we can say, I want to have a child with that person so that I can make him happy. No, that person, he doesn't want the child to have kids with you. He wants pleasure only. Guys, married men, when they are dating people outside there, women outside there, they want pleasure because they are already have their own family. Guys, a married man, he can have maybe a short time with you. After seeing you, after he have pleasure with you, he can go back to his wife. Maybe you can saw him maybe after 2 months or after 1 month, when you have an affair with a married man, just because guys, he is concentrating on his family. Sometimes he have got no time with you. You understand it? Guys, it will be difficult to raise that child because that child, he doesn't love that child like he loves his child with his wife. You understand it?